Welcome back, guys. CryptoFi channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Filecoin, FIL USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, yes, this chart and the price action of FIL remind me the algorithms. So most likely we will drop and the sweep of historical low COVID dump. This one would have formed in March 2020. Imagine after COVID dump, after that crazy parabolic move, right, on the Filecoin, we landed back to the same levels. So personally, for me, it's really disappointing because what's the point of that attach? So if we are here to talk about a attach side, right, of the projects, what's the point? Invest in attach. It's a file storage. If the chart looks like this one. So yes, charts never lie. I'm not complaining about the Filecoin. Any coin is high risky assets, you know. But this is one more example. So we don't have to be trapped into the attached side or promising or the fundamental of the projects. So guys, fundamental and the use case of the Filecoin, absolutely the same like it was at $200 and the same now at $3. So you have to understand. So fundamental and the purpose and the vision of the project absolutely didn't change. And people who invested here in Tach at $200 or at $100, they invested absolutely in the same product, in the same startup, like people invested now at $3. And now, just randomly, the new user can just open account on the Binance, press randomly buy bottom at $3, and when liquidity will inflow into alts, and this token will perform together with the alts, all other alts, you know, the price will be, for example, $43, and everybody talk about, yes, take a look, the great token, the great Tach. I told you, you have to pay attention for the for the metal, but it will not about the we pump because of the metal. We will pump just because of price action and just because of liquidity inflow and outflow from the alts. So that's the point, guys. So don't be trapped in all of this marketing stuff. So locally, I wish to see the drop lower than the March 2020. It was like $2.28. $2.28, yes. $2.28, it was $2.28, 28.60. Yes, it was the lowest point, yes. And we didn't sweep it. Also, I don't like it. We didn't sweep it because we built a liquidity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months candle. We build a liquidity. So we'd be logical to grab liquidity and go higher. If not, anyway, most likely we will come back and grab that liquidity later. So it's just a matter of time. Bullish targets, guys. I still believe we will go to a monthly gap like 38 and 48. 38, 43, 48. So this is the target. And this is the next liquidity pool and this one. Gap, I mean, a monthly one. And 33. So it's just a matter of time, but I'm not sure about that all-time high. And take a look, guys. This fulfill will be 1,200. And this will be like around 2,000% gains. If you believe in next fulfill here, 120, it's possible, but guys, it's gonna be just an amazing rally, And yes, fulfill most like fulfill with the fulfill. Most likely we'll see something like this move in the next cycles. And if this token survive this cycle in the next bear market, I will be so surprised, right? So guys, yes, this is a great example. Not everything what you see on the chart, it's about the fundamental. It's always about a price action and money inflow, outflow. ADZ I can show you because it's a global chart. Direction, we at the bottom on the monthly time frame, but without any signals to buy. We are in capitulation zone since April 2022 on a monthly, imagine. I hope the exchanges will not delist this token because it's going to be just mind-blowing if the Binance delist or so. This is accumulation. So yes, step by step the wealths accumulate because they understand definitely they can grab that liquidity like Algo. Algo dump it, grab liquidity, dump to 8 cents to 9 cents and then pump it to 60. So that's the point. The same story can be now. So we can dump to $2, for example, and skyrocket to 40. And everybody's talk about, oh, take a look, how great Filecoin. Now it's capitulation, so everything okay. Everything looks so good. Take a look, the money power, for me, it's kind of weird. Absolutely weird. By the way, I'm in Filecoin. Yes, I'm trapped. I'm not trapped. It's my mistake. It's my mistake. So I'm not blaming anyone. It's my mistake. So my entry around, I guess, 8, even 9. Yes, that levels. So I'm in losses, in crazy losses with the Filecoin. Not a big amount of money, but I believe in it. So if I thought it was a bottom here that November. And I thought, based on Trump, before the election, we go higher. Finally, we found the bottom in November, and the driver will be the United States election, and we go higher to grab that liquidity over the 11. I'm in around here, then added position here. So yes, around 8, my entry on a spot. So yes, I made a lot of mistakes, guys, too. So now I'm not use DCA. I totally don't care about a FIL, so I don't want to waste the money with DCA for this project. I better reinvest in some fresh token than in Filecoin. So, but anyway, guys, targets absolutely still the same. It was a money outflow. Now no money inflow. It's kind of bad. Monthly time frame, yes, I wish to see the money inflow. So like last time money inflow was December 2022. This one, and we pump it like 340. So that's a deal. Take a look. The trade on. Sell, buy back. No main signal to buy. Signal to buy. Recommendation close position. Take profit. Sell, buy back, sell. No signal to buy, guys. Unfortunately, yes, definitely we will. One day we're gonna hit this fulfill. But now I wish to see that drop. And the last one, indicator, guys, take profit. Weekly time frame, yes, we trade on the fundamental volume of the token. This one, we tested fundamental volume. Traded under. Now we trying to test the buy line. So I wish to see the last sweep. But maybe next time, maybe not this one. And monthly time frame, unfortunately, guys, there is no data. Yes, so 12 time frame here. Why we can drop? Because we can test the buy line. It's $2.10. So this is what I wish to see. The test of the buy line. And at $2, maybe I will buy with the futures with the second leverage, for example. Buy line $2.10. Fundamental wall $1.57. Daily time frame. Take a look. By the way, this is order flow. What we definitely come back and close here. The buy line is $2.64. Fundamental value $2. We will see, guys. Take profit line, it's 5.31. Exit line 6. And weekly 6.52. It's a take profit line on the weekly. So, guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in comment what you think about a Filecoin. Do you hold this token or not? Do you believe we can sweep the COVID dump low? If you would like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.